In a surprising political shake-up, the African Transformation Movement has removed its founding president, Vuyo Zungula, from the party's top leadership position. The move, announced on Monday, marks a pivotal shift in the party's direction as it appoints Professor Cesar Nongunga, Chief Apostle of the 12 Apostles Church in Christ, TACC, as the new president. Zungula, a lawyer and respected political voice, has been at the helm of ATM since its inception in 2018. Under his leadership, the party transitioned from a fledgling political startup to a recognized force within South Africa's political landscape, gaining parliamentary representation in the 2019 general elections. In a statement, the party expressed deep appreciation of Zungula's visionary leadership, crediting him with spearheading the party's registration and tirelessly advocating for economic transformation and the upliftment of marginalized communities. The party stated, President Zungula continues as a party leader in parliament, underscoring that while he may no longer serve as president, he remains a central figure in ATM's legislative agenda. He will continue his tireless work in advocating for the emancipation of the downtrodden and ensuring that their voices are heard. Zungula's political journey has been defined by grassroots activism and a commitment to African values, social justice, land reform, and a staunch opposition to systematic corruption. His blend of youthful leadership and pragmatic policy has made him a recognizable presence in South African politics. The appointment of Professor Nongunga marks a significant shift not only in leadership but in the ideological tone of the party, known primarily for his religious leadership within the Pentecostal 12th Apostle Church in Christ. Nonungula brings a unique combination of spiritual authority and community development experience to the political stage. ATM described him as a beacon of hope for many with a vision of democracy that integrates physical, psychological, social, economic, and spiritual well-being. The party stated his extensive experience in leadership and community service, building houses, initiating agricultural projects, providing educational funding, and creating jobs reflects his dedication to uplifting those in need. The National Executive Committee (NEC) explained that the leadership restructuring reflects a strategic decision to separate party advocacy from organizational development. The move, they said, will allow each leader to focus more effectively on their respective strengths. Zungula in legislative advocacy, Nongunga in party growth and community engagement. Political analysts say Nongunga's rise could signal a deeper infusion of moral and spiritual leadership into the ATM's brand of politics. His strong following, both domestically and abroad, could broaden the party's base, especially among religious voters. However, questions remain about how the blending of religious authority with political leadership will play out in a secular constitutional democracy. Still, ATM insiders argue that the appointment reinforces the party's commitment to holistic transformation. Nongunga, they contend, offers a moral compass for a nation grappling with inequality, corruption, and a crisis of leadership. People also reacted on social media after Vuyo Zungula was sacked. Someone said, good thing Zungula doesn't want illegal foreigners. EFF doesn't stand a chance here, plus Julius is a bully. Another one stated, Honorable Zungula and Commander Floyd Shivambu are the most feared, honest, progressive young leaders in SA today. In a short space of time, they both received political baptism from great giants, Prof. Nongunga and His Excellency President Zuma. Their timely removal must be purposeful. We continue to watch and pray. Another one stated, MK party commanders, Vuyo Zungula will make a great Secretary General Gwazam Konto. Another one stated, wasted political potential. We need this guy. I wish Vuyo Zungula will swallow pride and join us, the EFF. Someone stated, Zungula was my last hope for a better South Africa. I gave that party 3 votes because of him. Another one said, they installed Vuyo Zungula. Now they have uninstalled him like an app. That's what happens when you agree to be handled by old people. They don't care. They have no future plans because they know they won't be there in the future. They only operate on mutual interest. Now he will have to hold on his salary and family loyalty. Another one stated, "I can't believe this. Both these men I admire so much, both are my church members. I really have mixed feelings over this. I'm wishing Zungula well and ATM." Another one blamed Jacob Zuma and said Jacob Zuma has done two things in 2 weeks: fired Fred Shibambu from SG position and then fired Zungula from presidency of the ATM, replacing him with his old friend. Another one stated, "The removal of Vuyo Zungula as he was starting to push for the participation of the masses in the amendment of the constitution, the question of NGOs and their sources of funding, and many other crucial questions in Parliament shows just how compromised our entire political system is. You cannot create change from the inside." Another one stated, "Zungula is not a fool. He won't be out there campaigning for illegal foreigners and gays, an evil Zionist agenda pushed by your party." What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.